Actor Join-sung, who has returned looking tougher and manlier after his military discharge, transformed into a weathercaster. He tidied up the mic before going on stage, and he smiled proudly as he quenched his thirst. He then gave a tip on how to stay cool in the summer.
군대 있을 때는 이제 근무에 항상 내부적인 에어컨이 안 나오기 때문에 나중에 제대하고 나면 집에서 그 에어컨 틀어놓고 낮잠 부어서 왔으면 좋겠다라는 생각을 했었어요. 군대 안에서.
Why was he asked to become a weathercaster? It's because he's modeling for an air conditioner brand.
아무래도 이제 시즌보다 좀 앞서서 촬영을 해야 되니까 저는 겨울에 촬영을 했어요. 네, 겨울에 아무래도 시원한 모습을 담으려면 방송기 앞에서 눈이 아파도 아프지 않은 척, 추워도 굉장히 시원한 척 이렇게 연연을 했던 기억이 생각납니다.
He endured through pain and the cold during the commercial shoot. But all he got in return was the nickname Ajashi, or middle-aged man. Why do you say that is? It's because of the young rhythmic gymnast Son Yeon-jae, who shot the commercial next to him. Don't worry, Join-sung. In our eyes, you'll always be a heartthrob. Join-sung is currently busy filming the movie Kwanbop, so keep an eye out for this new movie.